Okay. Else if condition inside of the bracket means that's expression we are writing. My marks is greater than equal to 90. Okay. Then what happened? Inside of the bracket, what that print f. Okay. Print spelling is wrong. That's why it's not glowing. Um, what that? Huh. T is not over here, right? So print after that inside of the bracket again grade, okay, is a B. Okay, why it's going to the next line, you know, guys, because it's not a properly over here we have to the space or what happen if you are increasing size, you can see it will be proper in the line. Okay, now see marks is greater than suppose we are putting over here slab that is called 70. Okay, or maybe 50. 50 is okay. Okay, so 50 gap, grade B. Okay, after that, don't forget over here one semicolon. Okay, again, we are going to the last one, else if, okay, inside of the my marks are greater than is equal to suppose 40. Then this is range is what? Print F inside of the bracket, okay, grade C, right? B is capital, C is capital for it's looking good. Don't forget to use your semicolon. Okay. And last condition that is called else only that are saying what? Directly using by brackets. Okay. That are saying my printing statement, last one, what they are saying? They are saying you means you what? Try to next time, right? Try next time. Okay. So this is exactly the we are done our code. Let make interesting. T is capital, N is capital, and T also again capital. Next time. Okay. Don't forget to use semicolon over here. Okay. Now understand what is exactly the happen. Okay. I put it as a mark one variable. If suppose I am getting 90 marks, that is the container is what? Integer type. Okay. If first condition, what is that? My mark is greater than equal to 90%, then this condition will be a print. Okay. After that, if you are getting marks of 50 or more than 50, then what happened? This condition will be a satisfied. If you are getting to the 40 more than marks, then this condition will be satisfied. And if you are not getting 40 or below the 40, then last condition will be a satisfied. Now, without wasting time, let's try to the run this program. Okay. Right now, I get to the 90%. Okay. Let me run. What is that? Even if I'm getting to the 98%, what is happening? Grade A. If I'm getting to the below, above 50 or suppose something like that, suppose it's a 70. Okay, what is the group? B, right? It's B. It's perfectly working. If suppose I am getting to the uh, 55, where is coming? Over here, right? Let's run B, right? Why that? Okay. If I'm getting, okay, yes. Is it right now? No, it's right now. What I'm saying, if I'm getting to the 55, what marks will be coming? B only. So it's working perfectly. Ah, I am using 55. 55 is more than 50, right? Okay. After that, if I am putting to the 45 below the 50, then what happen? It will be coming to the C, right? After that last one, if suppose I'm getting a even the 39 also, what? You are the fail, right? Try to the next time. Getting? And apart from below values, all are fail. That is your grading system in real world. Okay.